Hey everyone, it's Lemon for Dark Chicken Gaming. I'm going to be reviewing some Warpaints today. This one is going to be kill covered from factory new to battle scarred to see which one looks the best and which one's the most affordable. And they are like kill covered, so like the theme is like kills and deaths and being worn down and shit. So I'm going to see if the wear really matters on these. So the factory new one. Wait for my inventory to load. The factory new one goes for around $8 USD, and honestly looks pretty cool. You can see like little tick marks from I guess the kills and little skulls on it. Yeah, so this one ran about $7. It looks decent. We're gonna equip it on rocket launcher, see what it looks like in game. Okay. And let's go to soldier. Oh. A soldier's not the best. You can't really see it as well unless you inspect it, but you can see little skulls on it. Factory new is always good. You can see all the little details and everything. Looks really nice. A strange one would be cool. Strange factory new. A strange unusual factory new would be a shit ton of money though. I honestly don't think the wears matter on this one, so let's go check on the... Let's just go from straight factory to battle scarred. I guess we'll do it on the same one. Okay. Go to loadout. Battle scarred. So this one, you can see a lot more worn down. Kind of looks cooler towards the gun because it's kill cover. There's blood on it. This one, for war paints, they all have separate patterns and different patterns, and this one has some good blood patterns on it. Pretty cool. I feel like for some war paints it should matter, but for some of them it actually looks better. War paints are usually cheaper than skins because they could be applied to any weapon, and the skins were limited for some time. But on this one, battle scar doesn't look that bad, especially with the blood onto it and like the theme of it as well. This one ran about... Ooh. I think this one ran about 50 cents, or maybe a couple, maybe a little bit more. But not bad. We could check on some of the other ones. Minimal wear and well worn. They're probably just going to end up looking the same, just a little bit better. I won't even apply them because I might put them on some different weapons. But here, we'll just look at it. Rocket launcher again. So this one is the well-worn one. It is scuffed up a lot. You can see there's the blood right there. See the scuffs around there. You can see the skulls on it and stuff. Doesn't look that bad. Honestly, I think battle scarred looks better than this. Just due to the amount of blood it has on it, as you can see right there, all around there. It looks more beaten up. And then this one's just minimal wear. Let's inspect it on the rocket launcher. It looks like the factory new one, little scuffs here and there. Honestly, I wouldn't say this is worth it. If you're going to go ahead and buy this, I might as well just upgrade to the factory new one, or get the battle scarred one if you don't have enough. Battle scarred looks better than this in my opinion, and they are pretty cheap, so if you just want to get a nice looking weapon, I'd say drop like 50 cents on the battle scarred one would look nice. And also with these seeds here, you get like a different float value and different skin patterns. So let's see if we could get a good example here. Like over here, there's all tick marks. Maybe we could get one with the skull or something right up close, right up here. I'm randomizing it. I don't know. Yeah, there's a skull right there. An example of good floats or skin patterns is the autumn rocket launcher, and I might be able to grab a war paint with that to show it off. Like what colors you could get with it. So that was a review on. Oh, I forgot to show the field tested one. It's just on this sticky bomb launcher. It is pretty messed up. No blood splatters. I think blood splatters come on well worn and below. Um, Honestly, it's right in the middle. It's not bad, not good, but pretty cool. I'm gonna go show you an example of the patterns now. That was sort of an example of wares and what the wares do, and we'll show patterns example next.